And especially the people who never played this game, they're like, oh no, like they are, or there are two types of people, or they are very shy, or they are like very into playing this game. So the people who are very shy, and majority are very shy, they're like, oh no, like I need to pronounce now something that I don't know how to pronounce. So I did a button which is half speed, so you can calmly listen what to pronounce. So it's
Marina, hola.
like this, which is like more calm, and I just compare. I compare percentage. So right now what I did is 15% basically of similarity, and then you can play original. Originally I say this,
Marina, hola.
and in reverse what I recorded was
Marina, hola.
Marina, hola. I just saw that this is something that is very, very popular among teenagers. A lot of teenagers play this game, and there is a lot of